Alright, the last step will be to make the camera of our player to be in the first person mode, because as I said, we can use the script, the player controller script for both third person and first person games. But since we are doing first person shooter in this course, we will change it and we will use trick that we used before. We only need to change the position of the player's viewpoint basically, and for that I will just drag and drop my main camera into the player game object. So let's drag and drop, and now main camera is child of this player. Now we can go in the scene mode, and only thing that you should consider is to position the camera in the correct direction, because our player doesn't have any eyes right now, but well, we should consider that our player has eyes here on the Z direction on this blue arrow, because in Unity, as I said, this blue arrow is considered to be forward direction. So we will take main camera. First, let's change rotation to be 0, 0, 0, because we don't want rotation. Let's take it like this in the forward. Let's take little bit down, and for example like this. Let's go in the game view, and yeah, I think it will be all right. Let's try to position it in the center of our capsule. Right here will be fine, I think. Let's now copy this component of transform. So we will select main camera. We will click on this three dot, copy component, and we will select player viewpoint. We will click three dot and paste component values. And now we will take this main camera out of our player. So we will drag and drop it outside of the player. And now if we hit play, we will be able to see that now we have the first person movement. We can jump, we can move, and stuff like that. Okay, everything is working and we are ready to go and continue our course and implement our shooting mechanics, which we will do in the next section.